Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ron here again, and in this video I want to show you a cool feature that PowerDrop has in order to better understand what other tools dropshippers are using in their own eBay store. So I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna begin. So I'm at the eBay store with this specific seller dashboard, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the name of the seller and I'm gonna copy it in the seller lookup inside PowerDrop. So let me just copy this seller name and I'm gonna go to the seller lookup and I'm just gonna paste it right here and I'm gonna search. And then I can see that this seller is indeed a dropshipper. And then I can see that this seller is using an AutoDS in order to monitor his product. So an AutoDS is a monitor that lets you monitor products from either Amazon or Walmart or any other store from United States. And I can actually validate that from the shipping item location, and we can see that it's from USA. So if we put 1+1, we can definitely understand that this specific seller is in fact a drop shipper. And we know that by the fact that he's using AutoDS, and also PowerDrop let us know here that it is indeed a drop shipper. Let's take another example. So here, yet again, I'm in the eBay seller page, and all I have to do is copy the seller name to the seller lookup. And here, yet again, I see that this seller is using PowerDrop. And PowerDrop is basically a lister that let you list products directly from AliExpress. So we know that this specific seller is in fact a dropshipper that is using the AliExpress platform to sell his products. And we can also have a validate in the item location and we see that it's from China. Let's move on to another example. Again, I'm just gonna copy the seller name and I'm just gonna paste it at the seller lookup. And then the first thing that we see over here is the Yabole sign. And Yabole is another monitor that let us monitor other products from different stores like Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress. So if this seller is using a monitor, we can in fact be 100% sure that this is a drop shipper. And we can also validate this by the item location. We see that it's from the United States. And we also see that PowerDrop automatically found out that it is indeed a drop shipper. Let's get another example. So yet again, I'm just gonna copy the name of this seller and I'm gonna paste it right here. And yet again, we see another icon of Triple Mars, and Triple Mars is another monitor like Yabole or AutoDS and all those other third-party monitors. So again, it is safe to assume that this specific seller is indeed a drop shipper. Let's take another example. So yet again, I'm here with this seller right here in the eBay store within the seller dashboard. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy his name. And in the seller lookup, I'm gonna paste his name. And then we're gonna see what other icons we have. And in this specific seller, we see a Dropbox icon, and Dropbox is pretty much another monitor. So anytime we see an icon of a third party, either monitor or a lister, we know for a fact that this seller is indeed a drop shipper. So let me just find one last example for us. Here I am again at the eBay seller dashboard, and I'm just gonna copy his name and then paste it in the seller lookup. And here, yet again, we see a DSM tool, which is another monitor that many dropshippers are using. So every time you see these icons, use that to your advantage and know that these sellers are indeed dropshippers, and anything valuable you find from them, you can put on your own store. So I hope this little trick helped you guys out in order to increase their own success. So I hope you guys find this video valuable, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.